In this video, we listed the 5 best gold metal detectors on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. MD 4030 Metal Detector. The MD 4030 Metal Detector. Whether you're searching for hidden gold, silver jewelry, coins, or other metals, this lightweight and adjustable detector is perfect for beginners and pros alike. Featuring an LCD screen, waterproof search coil, adjustable sensitivity, and headphone jack, it's designed for easy use and precise detection. Explore its powerful features and start your metal detecting adventure today. Number 2. VIVER Metal Detector. The VIVER 10-inch professional metal detector. Perfect for adults, this high-precision metal detector features 7 versatile detection modes, an adjustable handle, and IP68 waterproof capabilities for all your indoor and outdoor adventures. Whether you're searching for gold, coins, jewelry, or lost items, this lightweight and durable detector ensures you never miss a hidden treasure. Equipped with a clear LCD display, a 10-inch search coil, and essential accessories like a digging shovel, handbag, and headphones, it's everything you need for the ultimate detecting experience. Start your treasure hunt today with VIVER. Number 3. TX850 Metal Detector. The TX850 Professional Metal Detector. Designed for high performance and precision, this advanced underground metal detector is perfect for gold prospecting, relic hunting, and more. With its deep penetration capability up to 2.5 meters, LCD screen, and cutting-edge features like ground balancing and target pinpointing, the TX850 ensures accurate and efficient detection. Whether you're a seasoned detectorist or a beginner, this battery-powered metal detector is your go-to tool for uncovering hidden treasures. Watch now to learn how to maximize your detecting adventures. Number 4. GTX 5030 Metal Detector. Looking for the perfect metal detector to uncover hidden treasures? The GTX 5030 MD 4030, a powerful and versatile tool designed for treasure hunters of all levels. Whether you're searching for gold, silver, coins, or relics, this lightweight and adjustable metal detector is equipped with advanced features like waterproof search coil, audio alerts, and adjustable sensitivity. Perfect for metal detecting enthusiasts, archaeology, or even security inspections. Watch now to explore its incredible capabilities and start your treasure hunting journey today. Number 5. MD 60x50 Metal Detector. The MD 60x50 Metal Detector. Perfect for finding gold nuggets, coins, and hidden treasures deep underground. With high sensitivity, advanced scanning technology, and a convenient backlight feature, this metal scanner is ideal for beginners and pros alike. Watch now to see how the MD 60x50 can help you uncover hidden treasures with ease.